Are you facing a pairing failed error that says your Apple Watch could not be paired with your iPhone? This usually happens due to software compatibility issues, Bluetooth problems, or a glitch during the pairing process. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we start the main process, make sure of these basic things. Make sure your Apple Watch has at least 50% battery and is connected to its charger. Your Apple Watch and iPhone need to be connected to a stable and same Wi-Fi network. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your iPhone. Solution 1. Update your software. First, open the watch home screen, tap on the Settings app, now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is no new update, then download and install the update. Solution 2. Reset your Apple Watch. Open the watch home screen, tap on the Settings app, now scroll down and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom, tap Reset, tap Erase all content and settings. Scroll down again, tap Erase all. After erasing all, try to repair again. This is how you can solve the pairing failed issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye for today.